Hello guys, and welcome to our video today. It's on, we are teacherlookup.com, and our aim is to promote and grow education around the world, and we want to make Teacher Lookup a key to easy learning. So please guys, if there's anything, if you want us to grow and support us, please click on our donate and donate whatever you feel is best for the website, and we want to grow, and we'll keep putting in more and more good educational notes on the website and give it out for free. So guys, what we're going to speak about today is perpendicular lines. As the title suggests, what are perpendicular lines? So in geometry, two lines are said to be perpendicular to each other if they lie in the same plane and meet each other at right angles. Right angles are, in other words, 90-degree angles. Both lines are considered perpendicular to each other. So as you can see on this diagram, A to B and P to Q are both perpendicular to each other and meet at point O. Therefore, we could see there is a 90-degree angle where on point O, this means they're both perpendicular to each other because they're at 90-degree angles. In the above line, as we saw, AB intersects with PQ at right angles, hence the two lines are perpendicular to each other. So properties of perpendicular lines. If line AB is perpendicular to another line PQ, then it is also perpendicular to any line parallel to PQ. And the second point is, when a line is perpendicular to another line, then all angles formed at the point of intersection are always right angles. So as you can see, they're always at right angles. And did you know, whenever linear pair of angles in congruent, the angles are always 90 degrees. Next, we'll speak about how to construct the perpendicular lines. So there are 8 steps which are described on this web. The first step is to draw a straight horizontal line and mark 2 points P and Q on the line. As we can see here, P and Q, so we've put a line here. Second step is to take a compass and place it at one of the endpoints, for example P and Q, endpoints of the horizontal line, like for example PQ. The third step is to make an arc above and below the horizontal line. As you can see here, there are arcs. Now place the compass at the end of the other end. So we first placed the compass on the P end, now we're going to place it on the Q end. And without changing the compass width, we jump on to step 5, which is from point Q, make an arc above and below the horizontal line, which we can see is here, another arc. So it's basically this arc here and this arc here. And then step 6 is the arcs made from the two endpoints of the line intersects. Mark these points of intersection as A and B. The 7th step is draw a straight line AB joining the two intersecting points on the arc. And step 8 is the line AB and PQ are perpendicular to each other. So step 8 is just telling us that they will be, will be perpendicular to each other. And did you know perpendicular lines are used to calculate the distance from a point of a straight line to a curve or a plane? So it's used to calculate distance point to a straight line, a curve, or a plane. Application of perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are used to find out distances. So first is when you need to calculate the distance from a point to a given line, the shortest distance from the point to the line is considered. This distance is determined by drawing perpendicular from the point to the line. Second one is in order to calculate the distance from a point to a curve, you can draw a perpendicular line from the point to the tangent line of the curve. Third point, in order to calculate the distance from a point to a given plane, you can also draw a perpendicular line from the point to the nearest point on the plane. There are different polygons which have perpendicular lines. First one is a pretty famous one. It's the right angle triangle. As you can see, the name has it. Right angle is in the name, so that defines that it's got a right angle here, and this is the where the mouse is pointing at the right angle triangle, which are perpendicular to each other. So right angle triangle are the two sides forming right angle are sorry in a right angle triangle, the two sides forming the right angle are perpendicular to each other. Second one is the line showing the altitude of a triangle is perpendicular to the base of the triangle. Third one is in quadrilaterals such as squares and rectangles, adjacent sides are always perpendicular to each other. In a circle, the diameter is perpendicular to the tangent of the circle. And that's it from us, guys. Thanks for listening. Thanks for being with us. If you have any comments, please visit us and comment either on the video or over here. We'll keep an eye and we'll try to improve next time with from your suggestions and comments. There is a link here which I will post in the description, so if you just click on that, you'll come directly to this page here. Thanks, guys.